In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Chaikin Money Flow indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame, the process is the same. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually appears near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open a panel where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools and scripts. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a few different tabs or categories. Find and click on the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups most of the standard technical analysis tools, including moving averages, oscillators, and volume-based indicators like Chaikin Money Flow. Once you're in the Technicals area, look for the search bar at the top of that panel. The list of indicators can be quite long, so using the search function is the fastest way to get what you need. Click into the search field so your cursor is active there, and then type in Chaikin Money Flow. You don't have to type the full name perfectly. Even just starting to type it will usually bring it up as a suggestion. After you've typed the name, you should see Chaikin Money Flow appear in the results list. Make sure you select the standard version provided by TradingView. When you see it, simply click on Chaikin Money Flow once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically, usually in a separate panel below your price candles. You can hover over the indicator's name on the chart to access settings if you want to customize colors, length, or style later. Now that the indicator is on your chart, you're ready to start exploring how it reacts to price and volume, and how it fits into your overall trading plan. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock more features like additional indicators on one chart or more layout options, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with the same setup I'm using and get the most out of these tools. That's all you need to do to add Chaikin Money Flow on TradingView Pro.